Welding is present in our daily lives. It strengthens the foundations of the world, being the backbone of modern industry. It's the force that enables the creation of products that connect and transform our lives. At SUMIG, we embrace this force. We dedicate ourselves every day to developing innovative welding solutions to meet today's demands and drive tomorrow's technology. Since 1980, we have carried on the tradition of a recognized brand. Our history is marked by continuous innovation, solid growth, and a commitment to quality. We are driven by the purpose of meeting our customers' needs, always with customized projects for each situation. In 2024, we took an important step. We became part of the ESAB Group, strengthening our international operations and expanding our global presence. Today, we export to all continents. With the wide availability of parts and a highly qualified team, we guarantee agility, efficiency, and reliability, generating satisfaction and strengthening partnerships. We have over 300 specialized professionals. These people prioritize excellence, value a safe environment, and believe that collective well-being is reflected in results. Building on our legacy of producing durable and robust products, we're pioneers in manufacturing torches built to last. Another example of our commitment to quality and excellence. We develop high-quality, tested, and approved equipment to ensure the reliability of your welding processes. As pioneers in the manufacture of products geared towards Industry 4.0, we always strive to provide the best experience for our customers, offering innovative solutions with the best cost-benefit ratio. Furthermore, guided by constant innovation, we are specialists in robotic welding, continually investing in cutting-edge technology to optimize processes and ensure maximum efficiency. Our highly qualified sales team provides fast and efficient service, facilitating all negotiations. We are dedicated to offering a complete and satisfying experience for our customers, always striving to meet their needs and cultivate a relationship of trust and partnership. Every project, delivery, service, and product reflects the SUMIG DNA. Excellence in every detail. This is our strength and our way of being. We believe that the future is built with technology, sustainability, and above all, with people. Together, we develop intelligent solutions that drive our customers' growth. SUMIG, the welding that transforms the world.